ki khubor ka Bate CTV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan post MA bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingtip bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabenta ki kena ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ke Meghalaya Upper Primary School Teachers Association kumshibenta bensiu keliang hikambaro belale ek association haga santri ujuliu araca pusau klapen kuburam yu babu Kenneth Shadab beri president belasang thaj baru belasakri laslam haja ni ke kenhon. Tegis pak ku kino hikai jig school ad hoc na keleng ki jelai kelawan poi ben sakhi yeshim benta hakini ke jingalang ke belong mission compound community hall Shillong. Hakijing keren bekla bathai ku bor president betama jangan ke kenhon kino hikai school ad hoc babu King Star CH moment uliat hu baga jimpun ku buram yu babu Kenneth Sadam kelong road namar bu ude way ni kino hikai bah khamat jangkaseng beladan benta benyekit ya ba baru belano senyang sikadai si usup utiar naga benta ke jimento jino hikai school ad hoc upper primary hakijela borokwe.
That we have stayed together.
Recently, on the 13th of this month, we have been invited by the State Education Commission meeting there at Tura. So we have attended along with my secretary, and we have submitted a representation about the issues of the MUPSTA that we are suffering from long time. And when we sit in the meeting, in the last, the chairman of the State Education Commission and the members of the State Education Commission, they have informed us that your problems and your issues have been done from our end, and we have submitted to the government. Now it is up to the government to fulfill this, your demands. General meeting is regarding this to felicitate our outgoing president and to honor him for all the contribution he has made to us during his term to the association, during his term as a presidency and spokesperson, and in different states he has contributed a lot to the MUPSTA earlier and before. Since the inception of this MUPSTA association, he was leading this MUPSTA. So this year, in the month of June, I think March or June, he has resigned from this association. So we have nothing to give him back for his big things that has been done to the association. So just to do the token as a token of love, we today invite a general meeting to give him honor, to honor him, and to remember his all work. We give some gifts only that.
Ya mentah ini kalian jangan ikat association jangan MUPSTA ngimdon jitu kumta ban kelas ban lecture surap namar ba kat kum ke jitip ke badang mentah kalai trik mah ke commission kalai ai te ingin sesim ya kerai hadu kan muslim ke sarkar berpidon kami kata ke framework jangan commission namar ke interim report kalai submit te yakini ingin mak ban rai mentah ingin le ai hendrai ngiyo iba ke agitation ni kam dodon jingmut than yangi hendrai yo lese kasukut no tangkum ta kam don jing pendon kam ya kata ga balale commission tagamot man wan nagaleng jong komen roman kapor kal om nado ki chief minister ki minister jong iru ki ong ba ke ai ga commission kan suggest sarkar kinsim ya garai tangi kermen ba kinsim ya kata garai ga commission kala deble telada kamsim ya girai ya ga commission kala deble namang idang tip menta khalai tare telada kamsim de ki laban ong kanu banai lani kanu snam la ngi yo iba omla suban syat yo singin simrai andai ya mentai ngimpadon kata ga jingkerki panong ngilatip bad hable no mentam-mentai ngimpadon garai na kalian jangga MUPSTA bro kumbang ong mani ga State Education Commission bonsing nising thu bakla ba kadai tang ban penio ya kita enhancement kiba malumala Haga jingsha ka tu por pa ka fastom ka ki kam da don ka benta bagi no hikai jongi mo ka upper primary categories ki dan benta handai nomor fastom ka de ka federation mo de kita ka federation ka ba kedup lang ye gitu gi ad hoc school ba khoi ni elai handai ngi si ba hadin ba elai yang tu nagaliang jong ka upper primary school teachers jongi ngi yo tang lai punyo 0.5% ka increment kat bagi categories jong ki wei pati ki yo ado 50%. Ta kani ka kta yang ngi yo iba kati ke jing khi ke bania mi surok klemdon ke jing pensisa ki babiang ko kam dan jingmon den mata kada na galeng jong mupsta jong wala dang yo proposal ka ba ong ban pengkiu le ni bania pe yang ko haga diversification level ro ngi palai ndai ngi kermen ba anda ka commission ka submit ro long in persyang bania telang bar ka comment bakan wat klinti kloi ban ai ngi ka permanent solution kai nomor kani ka jing mi surok jong tengkat ka kloi respon pat ka badai tang support atpor menta ka perthai ba ngin yo ta enhancement ka basan hajan 3000 ngi tulop ka ba pitip ka ada ka primary school ngi yo tang ar gide ki staff baru head yo bolong seketi yo tang ar sa kani kala dei ka ba dunatam ka ba dei ba ki jing yo jing sinu sarkar tingi kermen ba kam da dei ka solution ngin wat ya lenti kumno ban yo ka permanent solution ladai ka no ka agitation ladai ka no ro mental lele ka baladon ka commission ngi kermen ba ka permanent solution kan wan kanam dan jingmot ingi bangin mi surak bangin yo ita 3000 increment ni safar pa de long run ada bikhen ya gi nohi kai sarkar u yo tulop biang nohi kai di besit u yo tulop biang ni gibi nohi kai ka loading ka de ka jongi ka kham khia pen ban den mata ka long equal work for equal pay ka thau ba kumba ai ki wei yang ro namar ka khia ka de ka ju tu ko mi nohi kai kata ka de ka jingmot jong ka ni ka mo to jong
Beno kan nga meeting po turaf yo. After you patay hindan.
Ka commission kala khot ingi managari kum ki stakeholder haga khat lai mo 13 no 13 kani banai bala dia menta kani ka meeting bala dia menta ta ni la ya ta ni ka meeting longga meeting galong baki sengap ingi stakeholder ke problem ko ban la persingau ta ni sengau thu ba kila dia menta ka interim report la ba dai ka first round ma ye ka de jong ni ka par primary jong nimnang man ong pi namar ba nagaliang jong chairman ro ong kasa stang ka comment to naleng jong comment ni kerpa de comment bakan le da ki wei ga ban le kloi ga ni namar ngim kwa comment man ai ga delete text ka no kulanti ha ba kila chani a commission par kala deb par kala submit ni kwa comment bakan le kloi tela da comment kanam le kloi to mon ngin sa sim ya kanu ga rai ga be bar ka general meeting daga jingmon jong no hikai mingle e kanu ka benta ka dan kam ndra ya benta ka ngi kermen scam ba habangi dang tip benta khalai trik ngi kermen scam ba kin le kloi kat bala le kloi ta ta ga ba khamat amar ba ngi lek kum kita ki nokit kam ong ba haga jingi kermen commission ada bitho ba kala dia interim report tengin lek ngin sa benta ngi don half yearly exam ngi hapan pe school ta hadin jong ni half yearly exam ba khoi tu long in seven batch kini pelok karo na baro kan cintia bangila ikan education minister yai advisor ba sarpakam sarsyampliang lani bat lalong ka bala sido ka level jong chief minister ro ban ai ki jing pentip ba yo le sigla tiblo paro andai ban ong ba kat kum information ka bangila yo ba interim report la dia bersio ba ban menteri kam no ini ka bangi demand ngin lai kata obviously ngin lai tang ba yang mentang ngim la ban ong ni pi lanong ngin lai namar bangi dang burok no kai ngi attention menta namar ba don ki exam jong ki kena afili ni por ka general menta si general meeting min hi kalong ban ku prom ye sir kenet sharap namari ba da kamar singo bha ila ino ya ga resign no nang exam association jongi te daga jingya singo thu jingmun daga jingya toilang long ba ila don ha karta ga bla no kham no te ino ya ga ni kam president daga dei hi ka jing ku prom yi ga singi khado ba dan menta ba association jongi ku ga Meghalaya Upper Primary School Teacher Association. Kami purpose ng meeting kadai gani. Ka report namar man belong ki general meeting ginong kai jongi ki respond ko me ki kwa ki bapli batip. Kami issue ko jongi hi ne kata principle jong ka mupsta na do bala sengi ka mentala lai piosan sinem kadai ka bangin yo ya ka tulap ka babiang ka bangila demand bangila pan kadai ka deficitization. The ya kani kamdai bangila demand ro wadu ka government ro kala propose ni na ro usna marjar khat khandai bahkan ayengi gani ka deficitization na ro tu por ta hendra ngi lap kamdoni Dan rais ngotenat long hakini gisni long kalami gani ga education state education commission. Jaga sarkar ka pendan kami gani ban pej jing jing noi kai kamtam ha gibi baki ad hoc ni gibi kita garisma kamtam yangi ga upper primary. Terus ngotenat mani tho long ba man ha gani kila invite jingi kumal president bagi legislatura ka meeting jong gani ka commission. Tengi ngotenat bantip ba nagaliang jong ka kala submit interim report ka bede bar ka tulop jongi ki nohikai ad hoc upper primary school haga jala brakawai but nagaliang jong i chairman tu singi ila itu bai dan ila ong yangi ba ka song ka sa stang ha comment dan nagaliang jong i kinohikai ngi singop tenat ye gani ka jing pentip commotion ka ba ka commission ka le tengi kermen ba nagaliang jong ka seng jong association ngi nya bodin ye gani rangkat ke jingi terang ke jingi teli jongi banginya bodin bangi kwa ba komen haba kala dep kata interim report ke ba commission kala ai bahkan pendon kam na woodward nomor phi menta ngi ngliang ki ad hoc ngi de ki nong ikai ki bala syekh islam ma apa jala don ki bala yap khem do yo don ki bala temen mah namar nado usnem la khambun snem kam don re ka ba sarkar kala le khamtam ha ge ba deficit system nado usnem khandai spak khandai pelai khandai besau hadu mentam dan sub school biar deficit system tengi kermen magani ga commission kala le ego bahatam ngidas ngungu ye gane bar kala kloy ban pendep ye gani ga benta ka jongi nomor gila ong ba gila dep namta ka jongi ki upper primary tega kamram jongi long mentang in kerpat ngin lech ki bor bahalor jong comment man pendon kam no ye ga ba kata ka framework ha ga bede ba salri jongi na ka commission ni kermen ba kan long scam kan long kloy bat ka ga bala frame kan long ka bachap